Hello everyone and welcome to my Roblox Studio tutorial series. Hopefully within this series that I'm making, I'll be able to cover all the essential stuff with building and scripting. For now though, I will help you do the most basic of things, which is to install Roblox Studio. Now something I would recommend is to use the website version of Roblox instead of the app version. It's not required, but it makes things a lot easier when you need to navigate through different tabs and stuff. Anyways, the first thing you want to do is to check if Roblox Studio is already installed on your computer. Since when you're installing Roblox, the Studio can also be installed as well, so you just want to make sure that you have it. If you do have it, then congrats, because this video is about installing Roblox Studio, so you can just watch the next tutorial now. However, if you don't have the Studio on your computer, here are the steps to installing it. The first one is to go to the Roblox website homepage as well. The second step is to look for the Create button on the top of your homepage and click it. Third, click Start Creating. For me, since I already have it installed, it saw that I have Roblox Studio on the computer, but I can just cancel that application. Fourth, click the Download Studio button. You will need to do some setups in there, I think, once you are done, but after you set up the Studio, you should be ready to go inside of it. Fifth, go into Roblox Studio, double click on Roblox Studio, and sign up with your Roblox account. And once you've done that, you are done. You can click on any of the default templates to begin creating awesome Roblox experiences. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this short but useful tutorial. In our next episode, I hope to teach you guys what printing is, so stick around for that. See you later.